In this video, I'll be showing you how to Photoshop on a phone. Anyways, getting into it, it's super easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do firstly is go to your app store and download Adobe Photoshop Photo Editor. You want to make sure it's not Adobe Photoshop Express. You want to make sure it's the proper full version. Then just go ahead and open it up. From here, at the very top, you're going to be able to add from your photos. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Just allow full access is what I would recommend. And then all you want to do is go ahead and find the image you want to edit. Now from here, you're going to see a lot of different things on the bottom, but let's say I want to select the area. I can, it's very smart, so it can choose the subject. You can specifically crop out the background if you want to. So for example, if I just wanted to get these two characters, I could check mark it, and then I could, apply so many different things to them. So I can retouch them. I can add effects like a radial blur or a motion blur, for example. If I wanted to add a slight one, I could go ahead and do that, which is honestly something really cool. The fact that you have this many, features of Photoshop on your phone is really impressive. If I wanted to apply it as a mask, maybe I wanted to add a different background, I could go ahead and do that as well. And the masking capability of Photoshop on the phone for completely free is honestly really good. Just because I'm zooming in right now and it did it really well, especially like the most difficult parts for, something like this is doing the hair areas. And it's done it really well for both characters, which is honestly very impressive. And then again, you can just do so many different things like remove background. You can change the size, change layer properties, or anything like that. And obviously I can add more photos and layers if I want to as well.